Python coding solve. You'll get using this tutorial solve 12 most common Python coding challenges. Before the coding challenge, you need to take 5 steps like understand the problem statement, plan your solution, write the code, test your solution, optimize where needed. Here is some example, like one is the sum of events. Event means odd event, two types, 2, 4, 6. So we need to add event many as we assign. Like here we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is event is 2, 4, 6. So the answer will be 2, 4 and 6 equal to 12. So this is a function and number that we will provide. The code is this: return sum num per num in numbers. This is numbers. If num modulus 2 equal to 0, modulus, if modulus is 0, then that number will be calculated. Another question is count email domain. Count email domain silence. Using this code you can solve count event domain silence. Also have comment box, you can understand the email domain. Here is an example for your unit test. Everything is using in Python code, and there is step by step others 10 most popular and most common and important solution. Longest consecutive sequence find. Just this is the method or function, the one for loop. Using this for loop you can find the longest consecutive sequence in using the Python from this kind of series. Also the URL cache implementation problem. Using this code you can solve cache implementation problem. Also another generate valid parenthesis, which is the valid, which is not valid. This can be generated. Also the find median from data stream. You can calculate median from the given data stream. Solution using two heaps. You can find the solution using two heaps algorithm. Another is word break dynamic programming. There have some word given, you will break where required. Challenge find missing number. Solution is optimal XOR function. Also merge intervals. Merge interval you can use sorting algorithm. Also largest element of an array. To show you minimum heap algorithm use here. Find all anagram in a string. Is for the solution using sliding window. The last is detect a cycle in a linked list. Solution using fluid cycle detection algorithm. So you will get a lot of almost 12 important challenges where we need to here is a summary option, and also please write if you need another challenge or another type of problem, you can comment here, I will solve. Thank you so much. You also get the whole article in the article link in the description box. Please follow the description box. I will provide the link in the description box. Thank you so much.